Alrighty, so I got an Amazon pickup here. I went to the hospital not too long ago, and the nurse that's come to my house said, hey, you should get something to check your blood pressure, just in case, just to see if you're good to go, right, your health. So I picked one up from Amazon here, pretty good price, and what it comes with the box, some instructions, USB-C, so that's a newer model, little pouch in the unit itself. Now, the way it works, you wrap it around. If you look here, it'll say up and down. So down would be, it recommends your left hand, and it's because of the display, that's why. But you want to point this down towards your hand. So it's gonna go this way, and then up this other way. So what you're gonna do is, it has a thing to tell you how much diameter you have. So I'm gonna follow the down, stick my arm in here. They want you to put the display on the soft spot of your arm. And now the way, whoops, it's a little bit finicky. I guess you could kind of clinch it so it won't, so you can pull it from the bottom. One thing I noticed is make sure it doesn't pinch you. But it takes a little getting used to it. I'm not a pro. So once I get it on, eventually, let me just see this off. Make it a little too low. There we go. I noticed if you put it too snug, it's gonna hurt as far as the tightness. So let me get this on. So you just push the middle button, and you can hear it going down. I'm recording in real time so you can see it. If it's flashing okay, that's actually bad, there's an error, so I didn't do it right. So readjust it. I'm glad you got to see that, so let me readjust it. Make it pretty much. Okay, I think that's better. Okay. Turn it off or on again. That's good to witness that. So let's see if it works. And you want to relax. Still flashing error, so I'm doing something wrong here. Am I? Oh no, it's actually okay. Now it's not flashing because it doesn't see the it has tension, and it's seeing that's even tension. And like I said, it's really tight. Tighter than when I get tested, so just FYI. And it takes a while. The instructions say 2 to 3 minutes. And this color band here, once it goes all the way down, it's going to show, if you don't know all the numbers, which I never do, I'm not familiar with blood pressure numbers, but if you see green, it's good. If you see yellow, it's a little bit mild, high, and then you see red, it's super high blood pressure. And then it also checks your pulse here. You can see the little flashing heart. What's cool, it has a memory feature, so you actually have 3 people here. This is on person 1. You can have person 2 and a person 3. Okay, so it says I'm 105 systolic, dia something is 59, my pulse is 63. So it's green, so I'm good to go. So that's how it works. Get this off. Took me a minute to figure out a couple other things. So by pushing this guy on the right, it can go, I think this is the last meter. I only recorded it once, but if you have multiples, you can start scrolling to show what's the next one, or your history, I should say. And you can also delete it, but I'm not gonna delete it. Well, I could delete it, so I'm just gonna hold it. See what it does. It deletes it, so it says, I guess it says no. If you push this one, it'll show the date and time. And you can change the guest here. So G is guest, person 1, person 2, and person 1. So if you want to change the date and time, so this is the date and time flashing, you can see. See it? There you go. So you hold it for a few seconds and you get flashing. So this is, 2023, and you push this to change on the right. So I already, I messed that up because I pushed it once. So you got to sequence through the whole thing. There's no backsies. I hope it doesn't go to 2100. I'm gonna be so mad. If it goes to 2100. Okay, I didn't. That's good. So then if you push that here, you can change it with this one. I already got the date and time, so you just push this left one. So my bad, you basically, when you're done, you push the person icon. And then there's your time. It's in military, so it's 1:20 here. And then when you're done, you're done. And that's it. All right, so there you go. So if you're looking for a blood pressure meter, this is a pretty fair one. I read it's not as accurate as the professional ones, but it's gonna get, a good idea if you're in a danger zone or not, which is where you wanna check, right? And I like it because it's portable. All right, thanks for watching.